The new rational CombiMaster Plus. Multi-talented, reliable, and easy to use. It grills, bakes, fries, and steams precisely from 30 to 300 degrees Celsius. It offers maximum steam saturation and active dehumidification for great crusts. Perfect support for chefs to achieve consistently high food quality. And if that sounds good, it's even better. It now also cleans itself, overnight too if required. This makes the rational CombiMaster Plus our best manual combi steamer there has ever been. The perfect kitchen assistant for those who like to perform individual kitchen operations manually. Now also available as a CombiMaster Plus XS.